It is the perfect day for having lots of fun.
Did I hear somebody say fun?
Yeah, you did, Chats. I was actually wondering if you'd like to come for a ride on my bike.
Fabulous. Okay, I'll be back in a tick.
Okay. I thought it'd be really cool for Chats and I to go for a ride through the park. Or maybe along the beach.
All ready, Cal.
Okay. It's time to put you on my bike now. Ugh. You're a bit heavy in there, Miss Chats. There. All done. Just need to put my helmet on. And fasten the straps.
This is good.
Okay, Chats. Are you all ready?
Push those pedals round and round.
Okay. I can see the park. Cool.
And I can see the swings.
Oh, and a seesaw. Cool. I'm riding on my bike. I'm pedaling through the park. Past the swing set and the seesaw. We're pedaling today by ducks that are swimming all over the lake. Pedaling together at a slow, easy pace.
Oh, I love the park. Where to next, Cal?
The beach?
Yay, I love the beach.
Okay. Gotta get up this hill first. Pushing up the hill. We're almost to the top now. Nearly there. Oh, I can see the ocean.
I can smell the fresh sea air.
Hey, and down the hill we go. Whee!
The waves look big today, Cal.
Yeah, I can hear them crashing on the shore. I'm riding on my bike. I'm cruising by the beach. By the seashore and the ocean. We're riding today. All the swimmers are surfing all over the waves. We're pedaling together at a slow, cruisy pace.
That fresh sea air has made me feel great, Cal.
Yeah, I think it's time to go home, Chats. Oh no, we've got to go back up the hill now. Okay, here we go. Pushing up the hill. Push. Oh, yeah.
Wow, Kelly, you must have been paddling really fast. I'm all ready.
Yeah.
That was great fun, Cal. Can we go for another bike ride soon?
Yeah, sure, Chats.
How about now?
Now? Oh.